Ah, there it is again.
It's just a plane, Isabella.
I know what it is. Why does the plane have to be there? Spinning in the nice end of the island. Isabella, Pinstripe, did you see that new plane? I was nervous. I thought it was going to hit a cloud. But just as the mass, I know! And blow up and miss the plane a couple of feet.
It happens every year. Most every pilot does it. If they really want to make it exciting, I do something different.
Why can't you just enjoy the show? Pinstripe. After all, I'm sorry I was rude.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, except for grumbling all the time.
It's all just noise and nothing more.
And then he said nothing excited about. Just noise. That's Pinstripe for ya. Can't really make him like it. For ya, can ya? I know, but I just wish there could be something to do to make him stop complaining about it. Well, there could be one way. I'll talk to Isabella and Aku Aku about it to get right back at him. Agreed, Isabella? Agreed. Yeah, it's my battle horse. Let's go, go, go! Can't wait to see the look on Pinstripe's face.
I suppose you left the manager and the pilots on the show. He agreed to do the plan of yours. I also met Pinstripe's friend Tiny, who also lives here. So Isabella, we're gonna help you prove Pinstripe take his first load this morning.
Yes, Aku Aku. And thank you.
Pinstripe?
What? Oh, good morning, Aku Aku.
Is something wrong?
My next load isn't due until an hour.
Well, technically, Isabella's having trouble getting her car ready, and I need you to take her first load this morning.
But, Aku Aku, can't Crunch or Ami go?
Crunch isn't ready yet, and Ami is working in the Prowler today. Currently, you're the only one available.
It's back to being clear. From now on, that silly air show must have left already.
We have the opportunity.
Is it time to leave already? Not quite.
Isabella, Megumi, and Liz are working on just ahead.
We'll wait here until it's clear. Great. Ugh. At least I can get a bit more sleep before we leave. Ugh. Why can't these planes just buzz off? What? What in the world? How's that for a scaredy pants like you, Pinstripe?
Hello, Pinstripe. How was your day? Anything surprising happen?
How did you even hear of it? Me and Crash and Coco were the only ones there.
Really, Bandicoot? Yes. Far from the only one there. Tiny thought Pinstripe might want to see the newest postcard people sent Pinstripe. Tiny wanna know.
Yeah, right away. Pinstripe, from now on I'll make every fun page.
Oh.